Practicing gratitude activities at home and private. What are gratitude activities? Gratitude activities, like gratitude journals and gratitude exercises, are a way to help you feel more grateful in your life. Gratitude is the feeling of appreciation and thankfulness for what one has. Studies show that practicing gratitude can reduce stress, improve sleep, and increase feelings of happiness and satisfaction. Gratitude journals are a way to express thankfulness through writing. There are many different ways to do this. One way is by writing down 3 things every day that you're grateful for that happened in the past 24 hours. Another way is by writing down 1 thing that makes you happy about your day. Or 1 thing about yourself that you love or appreciate about yourself. Gratitude exercises are a physical activity that can help make the emotions of gratitude come alive in your body and mind. One example of a gratitude exercise is to take deep breaths while thinking about something. How to practice gratitude activities at home. Gratitude is a powerful tool for happiness and for living a fulfilling life. It can help you to focus on the things that are going well and not get caught up in the negative things. Here are some of the ways in which you can practice gratitude activities at home. 1. Thankful jar. The thankful jar is a simple game that can be played with friends and family. It consists of a jar which is filled with slips of paper on which people write something they are thankful for. The jar can also be used to take note of things that make one grateful in life, and then review them at the end of the day or week to see what one has been thankful for. The main idea behind this game is that by recording all the good things in life on slips of paper, people will be more likely to notice them and appreciate them more. 2. What I'm thankful for. In our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in the struggles that we're facing. We forget about the blessings that we have and how fortunate we are. Every moment is a time for us to reflect on these blessings, whether big or small. It's important to remember them and give thanks for them. 3. Gratitude lists. A gratitude list is a great way to make yourself feel better. When you start writing down the things that you are grateful for, it makes you feel better about your life. You should write a gratitude list at least once a week. 4. Say something nice to someone every day. The project was created to help people think about their words before they speak. The founder wanted to create a way for people to change the way they interact with one another and make the world a better place. The founder also wanted to make social interactions more mindful. This project is one of the ways to do that. In recent years, many have started to take notice of this initiative and have joined the movement by using Say Something Nice Day on their social media platforms. Say Something Nice Day, recognized on June 1st, is a grassroots movement designed to promote positivity. Thousands of people have joined the movement by using the hashtag Say Something Nice on social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. 5. Giving back. Many people volunteer or donate money to charity in order to feel good about themselves. They do this because they want to feel like they are making a difference in the world and that they are doing something good with their lives. It's not always easy to volunteer or donate money. It can be time-consuming, and there are many other competing interests in our lives. But when we do give back, it can make us feel good because volunteering or donating money can help others. Giving back is important, so before we go about all of the work, it's important to figure out what our motivations are. Are we doing it for ourselves or for others? There are a lot of motivations behind giving back, and everyone has their own personal reason for why they want to do it. What are the benefits of practicing gratitude activities at home? Gratitude activities are a great way to cultivate a sense of gratitude in your life. Being grateful can help you feel more connected with other people and the world around you. Research has shown that the practice of gratitude can improve your mood, create empathy, reduce depression, and more. We live in a society that is constantly looking for the next thing to improve our life. We are so busy looking ahead that we forget to take time to be grateful for what we already have. Practicing gratitude at home is an excellent way to start your day. It makes you feel more energized, ready, and grateful for the day ahead of you. You can also practice gratitude at home by taking time out of your day to appreciate what you have and what has happened in your life so far. Practicing gratitude will make your life better. When we are grateful for the things that we have, our life gets better. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can change the way we think and react to the world around us. One recent study researched if gratitude had any effect on well-being. Researchers found that people who felt grateful for what they had were more likely to experience higher levels of well-being, physical health, and a stronger sense of community. They were also less likely to be cynical, which is good news for the world because cynicism has been linked to increased feelings of anger. Another study found that people who kept a gratitude journal for just 2 weeks had lower blood pressure. They were less depressed and more optimistic about the future than those who did not write in the journal. Practicing gratitude is an exercise that helps you to focus on the positives rather than dwell on the negatives. It is a great way to start the day, and it is a pastime that can be practiced throughout your day. With practice, practicing gratitude will become a habit, and it will be easy to notice what you are grateful for every day. We have a gift for you. Go get it now in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and tap the notification bell too.